The universe is full of interesting things. Right from tiny asteroids to enormous galaxies, the universe never fails to amaze us with its beauty. One of the marvelous objects from the universe are black holes. The black hole is a singularity, that is the point of infinite density where all the matter is squeezed into infinitely tiny space and the laws of physics stop to be applied over there. They are fascinating, mysterious, and downright strange objects that can be seen in the universe. Their gravitational pull is tremendously strong that anything that gets sucked inside the black hole is gone forever. Not even light can pass through it because of the strong gravitational pull. This is the Universe Factory, and in today's video, we are trying to shed light on what is inside a black hole. What happens to the things that go inside if they never come out of it? If you are constantly curious about the universe and the space, if you want the big questions answered, then do subscribe to the Universe Factory and press the bell icon next to it. This way you don't have to worry about missing out any interesting stuff that we post here regularly. Also, find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Don't miss to check out. The scientists have long been fascinated with the black holes. Surprisingly, they do come in variety of sizes. For an example, micro black holes, though hypothetical, are tiny black holes with mass lesser than one solar mass. Whereas TON 618 is one of the most massive black holes ever found at 40 billion solar masses. But one of the interesting things of the black holes is that before their discovery, they were hidden in the equations of physics. Even Albert Einstein doubted their existence, but now they are considered as the outcome of his general theory of relativity. It has been observed that the gases and the stars behave differently near the black holes than elsewhere in the universe. They are affected by black holes' strong gravitational pull that gives off energy in the form of radiation that is invisible to the naked eyes. Using the right tools, the astronomers have been able to pinpoint their location even if they can't see the black hole. Then, in 2019, the astronomers did something extraordinary that was thought to be impossible previously. They literally captured image of a black hole M87 using the infamous Event Horizon telescope. Technically, what they captured was the shadow of the black hole, since the black hole itself does not emit any kind of light. But nevertheless, it was a major breakthrough in the field of astronomy that would have thrilled Einstein himself just a century ago. Thanks to the research and studies done by the scientists and theoretical physicists, we now have quite a lot of information about the black holes, given the fact that we cannot see them or go near to them. But can we have any clue of what is there inside a black hole without having anyone visited or even seen it? The black holes are not just holes in the space, they are made up of multiple regions inside them. Now imagine if you are approaching a supermassive black hole. The first thing you may notice is the outermost region called as the photon sphere. The photons are the light particles, and suppose if they happen to pass by a black hole at a particular distance, one of the two things will happen. Either these photons will end up getting sucked inside the black hole due to the immense gravitational pull, or if they happen to pass the black hole at a safe distance, they will escape the field but will be deflected greatly because of its gravitational field. If the black hole is a rotating one, there is a region in space-time around it where it is impossible to stand still. This region is known as the ergosphere. Generally, it is thought that all the matter in this zone can escape the strong gravitational pull of the black hole, but they are forced to move in the same direction as the black hole rotates. Then comes an invisible barrier at a particular distance from the center of the black hole called as the event horizon. This is the threshold beyond which the gravitational pull from the black hole is so strong that nothing, not even the light, can escape from it. Once anything has crossed the threshold of event horizon, there is no turning back. It is also known as the point of no return, so it is an ultimate one-way trip. No wonder it is an exciting region of the black hole. Then comes the singularity, the very center of the black hole. It is the region of tremendous amounts of mass in an infinitely small space. The known laws of physics are no longer valid here. Here, the singularity is where all the laws of physics break down. Theories say that the black holes are eternally collapsing objects that will hit singularity only after infinite time. Also, it has been suggested that the black holes can act as wormholes and faster gateways to the other galaxies, something that is you may have seen in the movie Interstellar. Wormholes are necessarily the shortcuts of space traveling in space-time that can significantly reduce the time required to cover vast intergalactic distances. In multiversal theory, black holes could be the portals of another universes where copies of you could be watching this video and subscribing to this channel. It is truly amazing to realize that we have only recently gotten photographic proof of a phenomenon that was only in the physics equation around a century ago. Another incredible fact is that even though we know many things about the black holes now, we are yet to see what is actually inside it. So do you think we can ever see inside the black hole in future? Let us know in the comments below. If you really found this video helpful, do subscribe to the Universe Factory and press the bell icon next to it. Also, if you want to know what did the amateur astrophotographers found around the Andromeda galaxy, or what weird thing is happening near the black hole of our Milky Way, do check out these videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Till then, keep looking up.